up, everybody? You're watching Ready Set Drone. I haven't played with an RC car in a long time, and so when Geekbuying offered to send me one, I said yes. They sent me this guy right here, and so this is not made by Geekbuying, but they sell it on their website. Link below if you want to check it out. We're going to play with this. I've actually already been playing with it a bit, but I want to tell you a few things about it, so stay tuned and we'll check it out. It says it goes 75 kilometers per hour, which is pretty fast for a little buggy like this. I have already had it out, already charged it, been playing with it, but I'll show you what it comes with. It comes with the instruction manual right here. It comes with the RC right here, but the car itself is right here. This has these little cotter pins that you can pull out and take a look at the inside. This comes with a 2200 milliamp hour 2S battery, that's 7.4 volts, with this kind of connector. Is that a Dean's connector? I don't remember what that's called, but anyway, it's the kind with one connection this way and one connection this way. It's kind of nice because you can't put it in backwards. And then it's got the balance port right here. And another thing I like about this balance port is that's how it charges via this USB charger. So if you have a little 2S battery, you can charge it using this. You could do any 2S battery with this, and you don't have to have a proprietary charger. This just goes into a USB slot, charges up the battery, and the battery lasts for quite a long time. Now, the other couple of cool things about this car, it has suspension, four-wheel suspension. So each wheel is independent, so you can push down on that one, push down on that one, and you see these springs go. The springs are metal, probably aluminum. Has this aluminum plate down here on the bottom. I know that's not steel because I tried to attach a magnet to it and it wouldn't attach, but it's definitely metal of some sort, either aluminum or something else, but that's kind of nice because it keeps the bottom in good shape. And then it has four-wheel drive, so all four wheels spin when you pull the trigger. So if you get stuck, that kind of helps you get out of a bind if the thing gets stuck. Also, it has a brushless motor, which I believe is right over here, and it's not a real expensive toy. It's definitely toy grade, but it's not bad because it has a brushless motor versus a brushed motor. Brushless motors are going to last longer. And with the four-wheel drive and the four-wheel suspension, it's kind of cool. And I do like this battery that came with this. 2200 milliamp hours is going to give you a lot of drive time on one battery. And this battery was charged. I did drive it a little bit this morning, but not probably only about 5 minutes. And I should get a lot more drive time than that. We'll pull out the front cotter pin and we'll push down the canopy here and put the cotter pin back in the front. You should be able to turn the wheels like that. Now you see how the wheels are kind of skewed to the left? That's where this little trim switch comes in handy. You just kind of set them up to where they're straight. And then the other trim switch I think is for the throttle, although it doesn't seem to be doing anything, so I'm just going to set it. It says TH trim, which I believe is throttle, so I'm going to set it just in the middle. Now this thing, like I said, all four wheels turn when you pull it, so that's nice because it's going to not get stuck. I also think it's going to grip and perform a little better if you've ever driven an all-wheel drive vehicle. Last thing I'm going to do is take the Insta360 Go 3, and I've got the hat clip here, which I would normally have on the hat. I've put a washer into the hat clip, so let me pull that sucker out. It's just a regular stainless steel washer, kind of thin. I had this mounted on here and was driving around, and this canopy is so thin that it didn't really do a good job of holding it. So I put this washer in to make the clamp stick a little bit better. So we're going to push that down on there, and that should give us a pretty cool perspective of the car. So let's take it out and drive it. So overall, if you're interested in a little RC car, I'd say this is a great little starter. It's pretty tough so far. We've beat it up quite a bit and it's done just fine. I'd like to thank Geekbuying for sending this to us to let us try it out, and we hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below and we'll see you next time on Ready Set Drone. Thanks for watching.